Scottsdale Tower, Aviator 54 is 2 miles outside Cackle on the RNAV Delta approach. Select to go to the missed approach southeast bound with information November.
Aviator 54, Scottsdale Tower, report to missed approach point, and I cannot approve a published missed approach if that's what you're requesting.
Officer, we'll go on a modified approach just southeast bound. Any altitude you want?
Just maintain at or below 3,000 if you can once you're in my airspace. I got a bunch of jets inbound. There's one just passing off your nose southbound, there's one passing off your nose northbound, and there's another one just south of TV Mall. It's entering the downwind.
You will be looking.
Scottsdale Tower, flight design 814 Whiskey Bravo, holding course at A16 for departure to the south.
Our flight design 814 Whiskey Bravo, I didn't forget about you. Just a little busy today, sir.
Broadcast.
NovaJet 422, I got a medevac that's sitting across from you. They'll go first IFR, then you, then the Global behind you that's sitting on the flow window. That'll be lucky if we make it. NovaJet 422, again, heading 310, contact Phoenix Park. Y'all have a good.
Departure, NovaJet 422.
Aviator 54, runway 21, continue traffic, Global Express holding in position.
Aviator 54, roger.
All right, Global 770, Bravo Charlie, Scottsdale Tower, runway 21, line for runway, traffic test and downwind. Series 4, Charlie Kilo, stay parking. Series 4, Charlie Kilo, you can turn right, one able, contact ground, have a good day.
Order ground, 470, thank you.
Global 0, Bravo Charlie, on departure, turn right, heading 285, runway 21, oh, stand by. Global 0, Bravo Charlie, turn right, heading 285, runway 21, cliff takeoff. Challenger 4, Kilo, Charlie, again, heading 285, runway 2, and contact Phoenix Parker, have a good day.
Departure 285, great job today, 4 Kilo Charlie.
Sierra 6, Kilo Golf, northbound departure approved, runway 21, cliff takeoff, caution, wake turbulence through, departed Global. Sierra 6, Kilo Golf, roger, cancel takeoff, clearance, hold short, runway 21.
Also 21, 6 Kilo Golf.
Number 85 Golf, are you willing to depart?
We're ready.
Number 85 Golf, southbound departure approved, runway 21, cliff takeoff.
Cliff takeoff, 85
Global 0, Bravo Charlie, contact Phoenix Park, y'all have a good one.
Departure 0, Bravo Charlie, so long.